Hey guys, Aaron here from Aaron's Magic. Sorry I haven't done a pond update in a while. It's just because I've been busy on some other things, like the holiday and all that. So I thought I'd do one today. So I'm currently heading downstairs so I can show you guys the pond. Sorry it's dark. Heading back out in the light. Okay, so here it is. So this is it so far. We filled it up. We've got a little duck inside the pond. We have like a little cave area underneath there. And this is the pond so far. It was my idea to put the house and the little bridge. And fortunately, this little pond here is losing water out of the sides, and so is the top. The water comes out of that little brick, hose is going down to the bottom. But that's about it as far as that is. I am going to be changing this part here, because when the water comes down both of these, the water just seeps over to this side, and I want it to come more down here and then fall all the way into the bottom. So that's as much of the update I can do at the moment. And yeah, over time this little house that I stuck here is gonna rot away, and it's not gonna look very good anymore, but it looks alright for now, as is the bridge. That might rot away, but this little duck would stay in here for a while. And yeah, the pump is doing alright. The pump was only like £9, and when I've completed it, that's when my next update will be. I properly finished it and it's all working and such. But yeah, until then, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.